getting tipsy in the shop. Pouring curry on the house. Wiping with the nut pump. Tipping on a good pot. In the shop, tipping on poop. Vibing with the thing. Chilling with the jungle. People call me Vara, make me suicidal. I was only chilling on a corner. I'm happy that I'm young,